Greetings everyone, this is Danny from HarTravel.com, your AMA Waterways River Cruise experts, and today I have the pleasure of being on board the beautiful AMA Serena. Now this particular category is a French balcony. They've got quite a few here on board and it's a great choice for a lot of our guests. Now I'll go through the details here in just a minute, but keep in mind when you're ready to book this beautiful room or any room or suite with AMA Waterways, make sure you reach out to HarTravel. We are your AMA River Cruise experts. We know the spaces inside and out. We've sailed extensively with them, and we know that we can help craft the cruise vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value, and get the HarTravel signature service every step of the way. Now, AMA Waterways is an incredibly immersive and inclusive experience. You're gonna have excursions included each and every single day, and I love that they provide a choice. If you're looking for some of those classic experiences touring the museums, the palaces, and the architectural sites, you can also get the cultural sites and even the culinary here. But one other thing that they've added on is that you also have some active options. If you want to head on out and take a bike for a spin, maybe head out on one of their tours with a bike guide, or go for a hike, AMA's got you covered at no additional cost. In addition to that, they have an amazing culinary scene here on board. AMA's known for their cuisine and they constantly win awards, and you're gonna have breakfast, lunch, and dinner included each and every single day, in addition to the fantastic chef's table experience where you can dine multiple courses paired with wine, once again, complimentary and included in part of your fare. Now let's tour this beautiful room. Now when you walk in the door, you've got a floor-to-ceiling mirror here to get ready. You're gonna have your temperature control to the side and a few coat hooks, and let me take you into the bathroom. Now before we do, one of the big questions that we get is what's the difference between the French balconies, the twin balconies here on board, and the suite? One of those spaces that you're gonna see is quite a bit different is the bathroom. Let's start in there. Now as we head inside, you'll see that you have the same beautiful decor. You've got marble walls and countertop here. You've got a small vanity with a little bit of storage tucked behind the mirror. It's also here that you're gonna find your European plug. Now I always bring extra European adapters and converters so I could utilize all the plugs in the room, and then of course for the pre and post hotel experience. You have a magnifying mirror here and a bit of storage underneath as well. The toilet's tucked just to the side, and you'll find that you have this sliding door for the bathroom. Now as I step into the shower, you're gonna find that it's a pretty good amount of space, not quite as big as you're gonna find in the upgraded rooms. You have the rainfall shower head up above, the adjustable shower wand here. This will pull across for a clothesline, and then you also have those highly upgraded bath amenities and a nook for amenities just behind. Now as we head into the room itself, this is that other place where you can really see the difference of space. At 170 square feet, it's a good size for a river cruise cabin, but keep in mind the rooms and suites on this ship go all the way up to 300 square feet, and you can see those on our channel as well. To my left, you're gonna find your storage. So you have hanging storage all the way across here, down below as well. And AMA's all about those fantastic little touches. Whether it's the hand cream on the nightstand when you're doing the Christmas markets cruises, or of course the umbrellas that are complimentary to utilize on board, AMA really does a great job with the details. Over here, you're gonna find shelves up and down for storage. And as you saw in the bathroom, you're also gonna have those extra comfy bathrobes and slippers that you can utilize while you're here on board. Now you'll see the bed is together for a large configuration here. It can be separated apart into two twins if that's your preference, maybe if you're traveling with friends. And in that case, one of the nightstands would move to the middle to give you a bit of separation of space. Now either configuration, you've got plenty of space underneath the bed where you can put your large bags away completely to get them out of the way. Now you're gonna have a lamp on either nightstand. You also have a directional reading light so that you don't disturb your partner in the evening. And keep in mind, AMA has highly upgraded linens, mattresses, and those really nice soft feather pillows. You'll have an alarm clock on the nightstand to your side, and then directly across over here, you're gonna find your iMac. Now this doubles as a television, so you have your remote control right there so you can watch TV in bed. You can also utilize it as a computer, and then they're gonna provide complimentary Wi-Fi during your time here on board. Your mini fridge is tucked just underneath here and a drawer for storage. Up above, you're gonna find your safe. It's a nice large safe. And then right here, you're gonna find your vanity and writing desk combo. You've got a chair here that you can pull up to the side. You're gonna find two European plugs underneath here as well that you can utilize for charging. And then you have a light up above along with a nice large mirror. Now I wanted to point these out. They're gonna be in every single room and you have a charging station. Now, a big part of the AMA Waterways experience is, of course, the included tours, and they have some of the best guides in the entire industry. I really love these. When you head on out to do your tour in the morning or the afternoon, or even one of their night tours, all you have to do is tap this on the sign of your guide. It's going to communicate with that and sync up instantly so that you can hear your guide as you tour. That way you don't need to be right next to them. You can do a little bit of exploring as well. Now keep in mind they're going to provide complimentary headphones. Now I always bring extra pairs of my own because I just find them slightly more comfortable for my personal use. Now, being that this is a French balcony, that's going to mean that you're going to have these nice large floor-to-ceiling windows that do open up as a sliding door. Now in front of them, you're going to have 2 chairs and a table. It's that perfect place to have a nice cup of coffee or tea in the morning. You can even sit and have a cocktail in the evening. They're going to face out and take advantage of those beautiful river views. Now, one of the reasons our guests really like to upgrade to this, of course, there are some lower rooms here on the ship as well. Those are going to have small windows that don't open. So this is the lead-in category that's going to allow you to let all of that sunlight and the fresh air inside. Now, when you're ready to book this room or any room or suite with AMA Waterways, whether it's Europe, Africa, or Asia, make sure you reach out to Har Travel. We are your river cruise experts. We've cruised extensively with AMA, and we know the spaces inside and out, so we know that we can help craft the cruise vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value, and get the Har Travel signature service every step of the way.